beautiful people. Come along and check out this beginner-friendly tutorial on doing coils on short, natural 4C hair. All right, so you're gonna start off with freshly washed hair, and I'm realizing, I'm like, ooh, I got a lot more hair than I thought I did, but we gonna make this hairstyle happen, okay? So I bought this new mousse by the Dukes. I will talk about it later in the video. So we start off with parting the back of our hair. Some people work from the front to the back. I prefer to work from the back to the front. So let's go ahead and while we parting our hair, let's just go ahead and oil our scalp, okay? I use good old Blue Magic, all right? Now we're going to take some mousse and put it on our fingers, apply it to our hair, and then we're just going to twirl our section of hair around our finger until we get to the end of the section of hair. All right, I'm gonna do it again to show y'all. We just twirling the hair around our finger, our index finger, to create our coil. Okay, I'm gonna do it a third time to show y'all slow. We just twirling it. This is very easy to do. Okay, you just have to be patient with self and with hair. And you know what I feel like I'm doing at this point? I feel like I'm creating some starter locks. Is this how locks are started? Probably not, so don't try to do this to start your locks. So I'm just going to repeat the process. We're going to part our hair, and how you part it is up to you. Like how big you make your sections, how small you make them. I think the smaller the pieces of hair, the easier it is to coil, but you can see I use a little bit more hair. I was still able to coil it. I feel like, did I get some other hair in the way at the top, but have no worries. We'll fix that. But yeah, the smaller the sections, I think the better the look at the end of the day, y'all. And I was really feeling myself. I was like, oh my gosh, like I'm really doing this. And this looks so cute. Cause you know my hair at the roots is dark because my color's growing out, but it looks good. It's the what's that called? When it's two different colors? Dang y'all, dang, what is it called? Y'all know. Just drop the word in the comments below what it's called when your hair is two different colors. All right, y'all, I am all done with my finger coils. It took me about an hour and 15 minutes to do my head of hair with this size coils, y'all. So I picked up the Dukes. I hope that's how you pronounce it. B-Girl Collection, Crazy Sexy Curl, Supercharged Honey, all-in-one setting foam. I want you to try a new setting foam. So this is specifically formulated for thirsty hair on the mend. My hair needs some thirst. Okay, it was thirsty. So it's the all-in-one. It's a styler that conditions, detangles, defines, and sets wash and goes, twist outs, braids, and TWAs in one step. It's fast drying with a flexible hold and no frizz or flaking. Okay, what's the good about this product? It's got cationic honey, aloe, bamboo, vitamin B and E, silk amino acids, okay? For best results, do not apply oil to the hair before applying this product. Okay, I didn't apply oil to the hair. I applied oil to the scalp. So it should be okay, all right? So I'm gonna let my hair air dry for about maybe like a day or two. I'm gonna come back and show y'all. But since I'm going to bed within the next 3 hours or so, I might just hit it with a blow dryer right before I go to bed just to make sure, you know, none of the coils come unloose while I'm asleep. But I ain't gonna hold y'all. This is cute. Hey, y'all. Look at my hair. Oh, okay. It's a little swing to it, okay? My hair is swinging. Like, y'all don't be believing it sometimes. I know my hair be looking stiff, but look, it can swing. You put in the right products, my hair can swing. Anyways, all right, I'll check back in with y'all soon. Three days later, and I am back. Okay, so I took a little bit of my mousse And I went ahead and I started separating the coils because I wanted more of a fluffed out look. And you know what another option is you can do if you don't want to take them apart? You can use a wide tooth comb or like a pick. And then pick the hair from the roots. If you want it to look like fuller, you can pick the hair from the roots and then just, manipulate it with your hands some for a fuller look if you don't want to take out the coils. So you have options here as to what you could do with your coils. I was like, let me take them out because that's the way I have seen like my hairdresser do my hair before. And that's the type of style that I wanted to achieve, more of a fluffed out coiled style. And y'all, I thoroughly enjoyed this hairstyle. So this hairstyle lasted me about 2 weeks. I kept it in for 2 weeks. The more you sleep on it, I feel like the better it looks. Okay, the better it looks. The more you sleep on it, the better it looks. I feel like a lot of natural hairstyles, the more time you give it to like fluff out, I think the better it looks. Day one be cute, but I feel like day three, you'd be like, all right, it's giving what it needs to give. Y'all, I definitely recommend you doing this hairstyle. Look at how cute this is. This is so cute. And I had the option of slicking down my edges. I didn't on this day, but look at this photo. My edges are slicked down. All right, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.